Last week's statement from the Turkish Foreign Ministry got support from the United States Consul General in Ankara. In this statement, Turkey had officially pilloried the assimilation policy which is used by China to suppress the Uyghur people and demanded to stop it. The diplomat confirmed on Twitter that Uyghur people are arbitrarily detained, tortured and brainwashed. Malaysian People's Party leader Anwar Ibrahim stated that the human rights violations in East Turkestan do affect not only the Uyghurs but also the entire Muslim world. Non-governmental organizations produced a press release entitled "The Inhuman Practices in East Turkestan." It was attended by Muhsin Görgülgül and Mustafa Yildiz. Both of them are leaders of NGOs. After a cruel attack in Kashmir, considered the most gruesome of the past 30 years, tensions between India and Pakistan fighting over the power of the Kashmir region increased. India now wants to end its diplomatic relations with Pakistan, annul the official truce and give its army a free hand. Narendra Modi, India's president, accuses Pakistan of hosting militant forces and therefore threatens that Pakistan will pay a heavy price for it. Because of the violence on the Mexican border, Trump announced that he would call for a national emergency. The wall on the border with Mexico is important, emphasized Trump, because it could thus stem human trafficking. According to a US State Department published email to Congress, the US government had planned to send a military plane with aid packages to Venezuela to intimidate Maduro. This way, the president should be moved to retreat.